If you're using AI to ask questions like how do I save money or give me marketing ideas, you are wasting the most powerful strategic partner in human history. You're treating an architect like a librarian. You're treating the engine of exponential growth like a search bar. For too long, small business and side hustle owners have been trapped in the AI search cycle. Ask a generic question, get a generic, non-actionable answer, and your business stalls. We are in the age of business beyond automation. And in this video, I'm giving you the 3-step strategic framework to transform your AI into a dedicated, high-level thought partner that tackles your structure, marketing, and overhead problems. The video will be structured around a 3-part strategic framework that moves the viewer beyond automation. Before we build, we have to recognize the trap. The AI search trap has 3 fatal flaws. First, AI has no memory of you. When you ask a simple query, it has no context, no knowledge of your niche, your pricing, or your mission. It defaults to the average answer, which is useless to a strategic business owner. Second, search assumes you want information, not a solution. Google is for retrieval. A thought partner is for creation. When you prompt like you're searching, you get data, not a tailored strategy. Third, it kills profitability. If the answer you get from AI is generic, you still have to spend hours customizing it, researching its accuracy, and turning it into an action plan. You saved 5 minutes typing, but you lost 5 hours of execution time. It's time to shift your entire mindset. The foundational shift you need is the goal, constraint, and deliverable framework, the GCD. This is how you communicate with a true partner, not a typing machine. The goal, G, this is the why. It's your specific, measurable objective. Instead of get more customers, it's increase service signups by 20% in the next 45 days. The goal must be clear. The constraint, C, this is the crucial, often missed element. It forces creativity. Constraints are the rules of your reality. My marketing budget is $500. Or, I only have 1 hour per day for this task. Or, the solution must not use social media. The constraint makes the output unique to your business. The deliverable, D, this is the what. It's the format you need for immediate action. Never ask for ideas. Ask for a 3-tier customer escalation script, or a Q4 budget restructuring plan, or a 12-step implementation checklist. Let's use the finance example. Poor prompt. How do I save money on taxes? Strategic GCD. Prompt. Develop a Q4 budget restructuring plan. D, to maximize my home office deductions. G, assuming I can only reduce my marketing spend by $500 per month. C, that is the difference between an answer that saves you an hour of Google searching and a strategic document that can save you thousands. The GCD framework gives the AI the assignment. The knowledge upload gives the AI the tools to do the job. A human consultant would never walk into your business without reading your financials, your mission statement, and your target audience profile. You must treat your AI partner the same way. Before you ever type the GCD prompt, paste in the crucial context, your customer persona, your last quarter's P&L, or your unique 5-step service framework. The more you upload, the less the AI has to assume. It dramatically reduces generic output and allows the partner to craft a solution that is 100% compliant with your business DNA. Context is not optional, it is the currency of strategy. Your new role is not the typist, your new role is the orchestrator. You provide the goal, you define the constraint, and you demand the deliverable. The power of AI isn't in what it knows, but in the strategic assignments you give it. Stop asking the robot for an answer. Start asking your think partner for a tailored, constrained, ready-to-implement strategy. Your challenge. Go back right now to the last generic, frustrating query you asked your AI tool. Immediately rewrite it using the goal, constraint, and deliverable framework. This is the first action of a strategic business owner. Hit the subscribe button to continue building your business beyond automation. We'll see you in the next strategy session.